Hi Sammy fam, today we're going to be making something super simple but super delicious. Smashed miso butter potatoes. They're so good. I'm just taking a whole bunch of little kind of round potatoes. It makes them a little bit easier to smash later on so we get nice little potato discs. Clean off any, dirt that might be on there. I think these are actually pre-washed, so it wasn't really an issue. And I'm putting them into a pot I have of water heating up. Ooh, a little dangerous here. And then I'm going to let that come to a boil for about 20 minutes, or until they're just soft all the way through. You don't want them to be falling apart. Now we're going to take a lot of butter here, about 7 tablespoons. And we're going to melt it up. "30 seconds or so should do the trick. Mix in our miso. If I can open it. It's always a struggle. Just like life. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. And I should note, I used unsalted butter because this miso has plenty of salt and savoriness in it. Grate a few cloves of garlic. Can you guys tell I like garlic? You can obviously adjust this for your own taste. And some fresh cracked pepper. I put it on the smallest grind setting because I, really want it to blend in. Now give it a mix. I find when you're mixing miso paste into things, it's easiest just to kind of smash it out on the side of the bowl, and then the increased surface area allows you to blend it in a lot nicer. Gotta beat the devil out of it. It takes a minute. Keep on beating it. Almost there. Yeah, that is good. I'm gonna add some chopped up chives to this. I just like the oniony flavor, and I think it makes it kind of pretty. Now that's starting to really look kind of gourmet. Now it's time to get our potatoes using these new wonderful pot holder gloves my wife got us. Thanks, baby. Nice and steaming. I don't know why I put them in this bowl because in a second I'm just going to move them from the bowl to a pan. Just using the bottom of a jar to smash these into little discs. That's a hard word to say. Discs. Discs. Now I'm going to spread over our miso butter with chives. It's solidified a little bit, so it's just easy to spread like a nice soft butter. You can also store this and use it for a ton of dishes if you want. It's very versatile. Versatile? I don't know how to speak English now. English. And into an oven under broil on high for about 10 minutes. Now that is beautiful. I love all the little dark bits mixed with the golden brown and the green. You can just eat them as little pucks, or I don't really mind if they get kind of mashed together. So I'm just setting some aside for later and for my wife, and then a nice little bowl for myself, because I'm going to add one more ingredient you might see on screen here. Just try them with the miso butter plain, kind of. They're very hot, but I can't wait. Oh, they are so savory. H-O-T-T, emphasis. But I'm going to add some chili oil. I think it's going to really make it pop. Oh yeah, that takes it to the next level. Spicy, savory, oniony, buttery. Umami to the max. So good. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you try this one, because it's super easy, pretty cheap, and very delicious.